Okay, so hi guys. I decided today to show you how to make your ribbon look realistic in a car seat. So let's get started. Okay, so basically, first step guys, so you'll basically now need this. So you'll basically need a appropriate clothing. If it's winter, wear them something fluffy. If it's summer, wear them something short. If it's spring, wear them something short, long. If it's fall, wear them something like this. So it's basically fall right now. It's windy, so I just decided to put this on her. It's super cute. It's very windy. It's very windy. It's basically fall. But yeah, so now basically, you're gonna take your reborn and put on her seatbelt. One of the most important things, because if you don't do this, you might have a car crash. When that happens, a car crash, your reborn will officially die. I'm not gonna talk about that because it's kind of sad. But yeah, let's just get started. So basically now, this is how I put mine. You're gonna say, well, it's kind of hard to put, but yeah. So now you'll basically wanna put on your reborn like a pacifier clip. So I have this reborn pacifier clip, and I will be putting on my reborn. So let me get started right now. Okay, let's do this. Basically do that, and then give her her pacifier, and I basically just push her mouth and I put this pacifier. So how did I do this? Is basically bring the knife and cut her mouth. So now you can give them pacifiers, without. Okay, so then I took this out so that I will show you guys how to put this in. Basically take this and then tie it like a bow. So you basically take a hole and then you'll tie a ribbon or a bow, whatever you would like. I would rather choose. I'll just do this. Look, This is how I do it. So it's basically kind of hard, but yeah, I do this mostly so that I can just put these in their mouths. So that is their. Fix this one like that. So now you you may take your pillow and put it in. I have this already has this cushion, but it's not that good for my reborn, so I just put a pillow on my babies so that they would get a better shape of that. But then I give my reborns. Some of them were mins, but I don't really like to put on this reborn because she's 7 months, and she's big enough. So then this like that, and then you'll put this teddy in the reborn's hand. You will take this blanket. So you can either put it like this or on top of it. I'd rather do this. Like that. And then I'll take the pacifier clip out and put it like that. And so now that's basically it. That's how you make the reborn look realistic in a car seat. So I'll be keeping her like this for a while. So yeah, bye guys.